Adjust the quantity and proportion of ingredients as per your taste and spice level. Whole spices includes cardamom about 4, cloves 4, cinnamon 1, bay leaf 1, star anise 1. Heat a wok on medium heat. Add oil to the wok. Add whole spices and let them sizzle briefly. Add sliced onions and salt. Stir fry until the onions turn translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and stir fry until the raw smell disappears. Add chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder, and cumin powder. Stir to combine. Add some amount of water and stir to mix the spices. Add water quantity as per your preference. Add green chilies and stir well. Add the ground tomato paste and cook for a few minutes. Add the chicken and stir until it is well coated with the masala. Close the lid and let the chicken cook in its own steam. After a few minutes, open the lid and give it a stir. Add curd and stir well to blend it with the masala. Close the lid again and cook for a few more minutes till it is well cooked. After a few minutes, open the lid and check the consistency. Add garam masala powder and crushed kasuri methi, give a stir. Optionally, you can butter. Add cilantro and cook for few more minutes and turn off the heat.